When the waves are flooding shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I look at you. I probably shouldn't say this, but at times I get so scared when I think about the previous relationship we shared. It was awesome, but we lost it. It's not possible for me not to care.